going through ice covered in ink and bleach. Cross.
Alright, back at it again. So D just popped up. He's gonna do all the welding to the diff and the rear mount for me. Let me show y'all exactly where we stand. At the current time, those 3 plates need to go in up here. I need to start grinding to bare metal. So I'm gonna take a grinder with one of these, I guess, and start going in. This is gonna be for the 2 top mounts. This is where the side brace goes, which is bare metal now. Same thing here, bare metal, bare metal. I need to take off this diff mount and do around the back. Grounded down all the metal so I can get a good surface space to weld. Process has begun.
I'm just gonna go ahead and run it. All right, watch out.
I'm good.
Oh shit. Okay. It went out. Shit, caught on.
You can repeat it. I just put it on. Nice and flowing.
Oh, so yeah, you want to keep your cord nice and flowing. I have to make sure it's tangled up. You know, that's one of the things I learned on the University of YouTube.
You don't know. Did you contaminate your tip again? God damn it. Right now he's gonna try to get the middle piece in to see. We may have to grind off some on one of the side.
100%.
Yep, gotta grind it off a little bit. Give us a little bit, we'll be right back. Tip has been contaminated, so he needs another.
Fucking beetles, man. They crawling all on the neck and everything.
Beetles,
No
all
respect.
right. You Southern guys always worried about these bugs and animals. Oh shit! Let me show you guys what we're talking about. So, you see one? Hold on, let me get that son bitch. Hold on, put that motherfucker. Hold on, god damn, got him right here. So god damn, this is what we're talking about. It's beetle season. They're attacking them right now. He almost died of beetle attack.
Man,
So I was gonna explain this, but this is Texas stuff. It's beetle season. Oh shit, beetle. Sorry, the beetle just died.
oh man, you killed him?
I ain't killing him yet. No, I ain't killing it. I'm not killing it. See, there it goes. Oh! Sorry. There we go. Let's try to see if we can make this quick. This bar goes on top of the diff. So what I'm gonna do is mark it. This side is in, this side is still outside. If I switch it, I'll show you. What I'm gonna do is just mark it right here. Alright. I marked it right here. I'm gonna try to be a little bit sparing with it. I'm not gonna go exactly where the line is. I'm actually gonna make it a little bit bigger, and if I need to trim it down, I will trim it down. So I'm gonna cut that line for right now with a grinder and then go back under there. That's hot, 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 hot. Told you guys I was gonna be a little bit sparing. That's where it sits. Let's see where it goes.
We'll have to, once I get one of them badass cameras.
These tires on a wagon, bro.
So right now, I'm putting the top bracket on and tacking it on just so we know where it is. That's not welded on yet. We're gonna put a bracket on this side and tack it, just like how he's tacking it. And then we're gonna take it out. We tack that side in. Now we're about to tack this side in, and then we're gonna weld the top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh shit! I scratched my phone. Oh shucks, I mean. So that's it.
That brace. That brace. That brace. That brace is there.
Alright. Put this in.
Woo!
We're gonna go. When she's flush. Weld that flush. As it is right there. Weld it here. Weld around. Same thing on that side. All around. Then we're gonna weld that flush. This side. Then we can unbolt the diff whenever we want. Those two bolts, unbolts the diff. All right, let's go. Diff mount is completely in and braced. I just need to put some seam sealer all over it. Seam sealer, and then paint it black so that hopefully it doesn't rust.
Yeah, me too.
Yeah, me too, huh? Okay. So now that everything's done, I'm gonna be using some Ultraflex seam sealer. Ironically, well not ironically, but unfortunately it's beige. So this is just gonna go over some of the welds and then I'm able to paint it over. So, see how everything is braced? Seam sealer is now added. I just put seam sealer on it to kind of clean it up a bit. And then I'm gonna paint it, paint the welds, and call it a day. Just finished taking this off around here. You could either bang this down, grind it. I'm gonna take the grinder real quick and just grind around it. And I'm gonna hit up here with some truck bed liner. Now that that side's complete, I'm gonna go put the axle in this side. Okay. I found it easier to remove the bottom bolt and the top bolt, put the axle in here and just fish the other end on this side. That's what works for me. You guys can figure out your own way. That's it. There's seam seal all around it. It's welded on the bottom. I'm just not that good with the seam sealer. That's it. I'm done for the night. Last thing left is to just take those fuel lines, put them up inside, power and ground, and get my drive shaft cut. That is it.
One in the hit. Hold on.
You want to let him. Come on. I got money. Let's go. Make it 200.
Hold on.
His 100 back up.
Hold on, wait. Who's getting the hit? Who's getting the hit? Wait, who's getting the hit? You getting the hit?
One in the hit.
One in the hit with this?
He's going first. Once you see him move.
Well, he got to be ready first.
Yeah, no, that's it. Once he's ready, he can leave anytime after that, right? Once he's ready.
Okay.
He's going to be ready.
How much y'all racing for?
He go whenever he goes.
Hey, I'm letting y'all know, for my diff install video, this is my bonus footage. Just letting y'all know. This is the bonus footage for Sunday's video.
That shit's even moving?
Yes. Listen. Nope.
No, sir.
Okay. All right. What you want to do at the top? What the fuck I'm saying? Look. Man, yeah, he trying to get paid. That's what they want to get. They want to get paid. They want to get paid. They want to get paid. Hold on, though. Hold on. Everybody doing some shit.
What car? Years? I haven't given you no fucking
Look.
money.
Definitely some clean runs
They
tonight.
race on the other side, I think. Yeah, they always do it.
Definitely some clean runs. So look, what y'all thinking? Who won the second one? Who won this? Omar let off first. Oh, the Tesla's quiet. You ain't gonna tell who let off. You ain't gonna tell who let off. Where they at?
Oh, the EF coming in first.
Hold on.
What happened?
Let's see. Who got run number 2? Who got run number 2 on the way back? Right here? So you passed him like how he said he passed us. Oh shit. But he ain't giving me my money. He ain't want to give me my money back. He ain't want to give me my money back. Oh, now you want to know how far niggas want to go? Pay up. You got to pay everybody now. You got to pay everybody back. You got to pay everybody. You got to pay everybody back. You got to pay everybody back. Everybody getting paid back.
Never underestimate your opponent.
Bro, I had a Tesla. That's why I'm not betting. I'm not doing it.
Hey, Angel, you better prep it right. Take that 100 this time.
Yo, tell him what you gonna do. What you gonna do?
I'm gonna take that 100 this time for good.
He ain't giving back nothing. Hey.
100 versus Tesla.
Oh. Who's flagging? I'm not flagging. You want me to flag? Roll it. That's a good one. That's a good race.
I see the world through ice covered in ink and bleach. Cross